Hey guys. All right, so different video, same clothes, same day, but we're about to react to adorable dog dresses as Chucky doll for Halloween by Inside Edition. That's the channel. Um, just by the the thumbnail, it looks so cute. Okay.
Is this pup too cute to be a killer? Romeo's Halloween costume suggests otherwise. But Romeo is the name of a lover, not a fighter. That's why the internet is so confused.
They better stop playing. That's not gonna mess you up for real. You better. Why he looks so adorable.
He's something, isn't he?
No one believes the truth. Or lives to tell it.
Romeo's human, Vanessa Chang, says she loved the costume when she saw it and had to have it. Halloween is extra special to her because it happens to be her birthday.
Man.
While most people who came across Romeo on social media loved the costume, others were not happy seeing him dressed up as a villain.
What? They weren't happy? Oh.
Romeo doesn't seem to be freaked out by his costume, even though the same can't be said for some humans.
That is too cute.
For InsideEdition.com, I'm Mara Montalbano.
People don't like it. I mean, hey, he's adorable. The dogs it's adorable. It's just like, hey, who you gonna kill? Not me. Like, you want a treat or something? Treat? Let me give you a treat. But that was my reaction to the video. And yeah.